कंप्लीट द पैटर्न फुटबॉल एडिशन विद अक्षिता एंड डॉक्टर सिमरन। तो पहला है हमारे पास मिलिटाओ, साला, बेंजेमा, ब्लैंक ब्लैंक।
It looks like arithmetic progression.
Is it some kind of a match में goal scorers?
या इट्स अ फेमस चैंपियंस लीग मैच के गोल स्कोरर्स।
Between two teams.
Okay, okay. And
So I think one will be a Liverpool player, one will be a Madrid player, I'm assuming.
Militao, Benzema, Salah, Vinny,
यस,
Vinny Junior. Goal,
Yes.
he scored the goal.
Why do I want to say Darwin Núñez here?
Darwin Núñez is the right answer. It is the goal scorers from the famous 5-2 win
And-
of Real Madrid at Anfield. Salah, Beto, McAllister, blank.
I know this one.
Okay.
I think these are the goal scorers in the last Merseyside derby, which was at the Madison Park. So it has to be Tarkowski.
क्या बात है अक्षिता, bang on, Tarkowski it is.
Cute.
Next is blank, Marcelo, blank, blank, Ramos.
Marcelo and Ramos. I think something to do with defenders.
Yes, you're on the right
Real
track.
Madrid. ऐसा तो होगा नहीं कि defenders के नाम बता दो. I think there is a pattern. Goals, assists. Any clue?
So you're on the right track. एक hint दूंगा मैं आपको. Most assists by Real Madrid defenders in Champions League.
Okay. So Marcelo, Ramos तो होंगे ही. Carvajal, Danny Carvajal should be there.
Yes, one of the blanks is Carvajal.
Roberto Carlos.
Roberto Carlos, bang on.
Varane.
No, Varane is not there.
Nacho?
नहीं, Nacho, Real Madrid legend but not in the list.
He didn't dance.
पता नहीं अब कौन बचा है. पेपे भी नहीं होगा शायद. बता दीजिए.
The ever ignored Lord Lucas Vasquez.
I'm so sorry. Godfrey मैं तुम्हारा नाम भूल गया. I'm so sorry.
Forward line में बहुत ज़्यादा खेले ना last में. Okay. Last is Akshita, you should get this. VVD, blank, Gakpo, Carroll, blank.
I understand the pattern. I don't know who all will be there because VVD and Gakpo are Liverpool's winter signings. So I'm assuming that this is this only.
Yes, you're on the right track.
Thank you.
Now think of most expensive winter signings for Liverpool.
VVD नहीं था सबसे most expensive.
तो है वही, इसीलिए तो है लिस्ट में.
वो है लिस्ट में मतलब. I thought जो आप कह रहे हो वो. Luis Diaz.
Yes, Luis Diaz is there and the last is hint देता हूँ. एंडी कैरल वाली विंडो में ही आए थे.
Suarez.
लुइस सुआरेज इज द राइट आंसर. फर्नांडो टोरेस हमने लिया था इनसे और इन्होंने कैरल और लुइस सुआरेज लिया था. एंड दैट इज कंप्लीट द पैटर्न फुटबॉल एडिशन.